So today I'm going to show you all something that you probably have never seen. Some of you may have or don't know how to use it, and a lot of people probably wouldn't show you how to use it. But at Tommy Garland On Demand, I do the real stuff. I want you to see how we do training horses. What I have in my hand is called a Chambon. It's like an old English training device. What it does, it encourages a horse to drop their head lower, relax, strengthen their back and their top line and their hip, and develop their structure. And it gets a horse to reach low and stretch. I like to have all my horses learn how to do this just to where they know to give to the pressure. And when I'm talking about pressure, what I have is just a straight bar bit, smooth, nothing fancy. I like that better than a snaffle to do this. You can use a snaffle, and I have, but I usually just use this. A Chambon is made that this string hooks to your bit, runs through this little area here like a pulley. This one's not a pulley, but they make them with pulleys. And then then this goes down. It's on the horse, goes down between their front legs, and then I tie it off over here. And as the horse lifts their head, it applies pressure.